In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a form to collect data that's saved into Airtable. This is the second video in our tutorial on how to create an automated workflow in Airtable. If you haven't already, make sure to go and check out part 1, since this video is going to pick up right where it left off. Let's get started building. A form in Airtable is a way to request information from other people where what you're asking them to update is just one cell within a table. We'll create a blank table from scratch, which will be our utility provider data, so we can collect that information. There's some default information that we don't need. We'll just get rid of these. The fields that we do want to create are address and utility data. And utility data is going to be an attachment, because what we're creating here is a form that the utility provider is going to see, and then they can drop in a spreadsheet of the data that you're asking for. Let's also add a timestamp, just so we know when they've responded to us. And timestamp is going to be this handy little lightning bolt created time, so that when someone submits one of our forms, it's automatically going to put the date and the time that they submitted it. So I'm going to delete these records since they don't exist. So the leftmost column is supposed to be the unique identifier for your records, which is why you can't just delete that column. So I just renamed it address and removed it. And this will be the information that we use to create a form. So we click on Form, Create a Form, and we can edit this form if we wanted to add a cover image, add a logo. I'm going to rename this form to BWRB Utility Data, form to collect information from utility providers, which will have the address, and they'll be able to drop the utility data in. It's also going to show when the form is submitted, just thank you for the form. Once we're happy with the form, we want to share the form and copy this link, and we're going to bring it into the email that we're automatically sending out. So we'll go back to our automations and edit the automation that we have so that we can bring it into our email. So I'm just going to add some text saying, can you please provide me with the monthly data using the link below? Or please use this link. And I'll paste the Airtable link. And a way you can format it so it's just a hyperlink is by using square brackets around link and putting in brackets website address that you want to link to. And we can test it out to see what our new email looks like. So I will send out another email to myself. I can see the brand new email with the link provided. If I were a utility provider, I can now fill in this form and drop in my example utility data. So here's my dummy data and submit. And now we can see the information. In the next video, I'll show you how we can connect the utility provider data and our property data table so that you can see who's actually responded and who's still outstanding. So you can automatically remind them, or just so you have peace of mind that you know you've gotten responses from everyone.